What's good, y'all? It's your boy Mr.Additup. Welcome to another episode of Vegan Chef. Today we're making some banging cauliflower steaks with chimichurri sauce. It's gonna be ridiculous, completely vegan. Before we get started, I need y'all to go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, or if you think that this channel is weak, hit that thumbs down button. You guys hungry? I am. Let's make it happen. Okay, y'all, so here we go. I'm gonna show you guys what we need just to make these steaks real quick and make the sauce. So we need a head of cauliflower, a clove of garlic, some cilantro. We're gonna have to cut this up, slice it up real fine. Italian parsley, got pink Himalayan sea salt. You can use whatever salt of your choice. Red wine vinegar, we need that to make the sauce. Canola oil. You need a garlic press. I don't know what this knife called, so I just always call it a Michael Myers knife. You need a Michael Myers knife. A little steak knife to cut up the vegetables with. And yeah, man, you need a frying pan. Oven safe. Measuring cup, and I think that's about it. That's all we need for this. Yes, sir. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna want to do here is take our cauliflower and get all the leaves, any of this stuff off of the stalk.
Get up every day and I go to work. Doing shit my way, I got it from the dirt. Baby girl, you fine, I can't even pay. But you can't get a dime, cause I ain't no jerk.
Once you get all that stuff, you take this and just cut off a little bit of the ends so we can make it flat. You know what I mean? Let's cut off a little bit of the ends like that. Then you just take it, boom, like this, cut it straight down the middle. The goal is you just want these to be kind of flat. You want to try to cut them even. I didn't. And cut this back off. And you could just save the extra. This you could just do whatever with it. Season that up in a little bit. Oh, one thing I forgot to say that we needed was cumin. I got some somewhere. Here we go. Simple organic ground cumin. So now that we got that chopped up like that, boom, we're gonna take got a little bowl to mix our cumin with the canola oil. And we'll just take a teaspoon of ground cumin, can't fit it there, scoop it out. So we'll take a teaspoon of this ground cumin, and I'm just going to use a plastic cup to mix this in. I'm gonna dump that like that. And then we need 5 tablespoons of canola oil, which we have right here. I just got this bowl here just in case I spill some, cause I'm floppy like that.
First of all, get this straight, I'm all about the bill. Wayne Brady with the yay, I'm like, let's make a deal. No account at the bank, but I chase for.
How it go? And we'll just take the, if you see in here, we have 5 tablespoons of canola oil and 1 teaspoon of cumin, and just mix that up. And this is gonna be like a marinade or like a brush on. Now I ain't got no brush, so that's why I'm gonna just boom do these like this. You wanna make sure you just cover the whole thing with it. That. This is all covered. Now those are ready to cook. Boom. We want to set our stove to medium once again, and put about 2 tablespoons of, I use coconut oil, whatever kind of coconut oil you want to use, and come over here to set our oven to 425, because we'll have to put this in the oven after. And we got the grease heated up, or coconut oil heated. We just want to take these, put them side by side like this, and weigh them down. You're gonna cook those for about 3 minutes. Chop your cilantro up real small like that. Chop up your parsley like that. Chop it up together. Then we're gonna take this garlic, press it.
Get up every day and I go to work. Doing shit my way, I got it from the dirt. Baby girl, you fine.
Let me throw this into a little bowl. Throw this in. Put 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar.
Oh yeah, 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 deep, baby.
Now when you put this in the oven to roast, you want to put it on the bottom shelf. On the bottom, closest to the thing, closest to the eye. So I already got my rack right there, so I'm gonna just take that. Excuse my wobbly camera. Just take that and just put it on the bottom rack. We're gonna let that do its thing for about 20 minutes. We set the kitchen timer for 20 minutes. Let that do its thing over there. You want to take these and when you get before you cut them, just be careful, don't cut yourself. But just take the knife around like this and get the seeds out.
Go deep, sweet, girl, you looking sweet enough to eat. Sleep, I'ma put your body straight to sleep. Creep, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Mix all that up, because this is what's gonna go on top of the steak and make it fire. It smells banging already. I don't know if it does. Minutes. I'm over here checking it out. good, don't they? Here we have those. Okay, now that we got our steaks out of the oven, I just want to take a little sauce. Or a little cilantro. Let our sauce just run through that. And there you have it, folks. Cauliflower steaks with the chimichurri sauce. Bow! Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, go ahead and hit that like button, share, comment, tell your friends about it. Shout out to goodhousekeeping.com. That's where we got that recipe from today. I'm going to leave the entire recipe in the description below, just in case I might have missed anything. You guys have a blessed day. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Baby, I'm a